Hello, YouTube. This is episode 4 of the Bearded Math Man. That's me. His vlog. I missed last week. It's the end of the school year. Things are kind of crazy. But this school year, it's been kind of rough for me. About 2 months ago, I was in a very bad crash. I ended up with a punctured lung, a severe concussion that's still causing trouble, 4 broken ribs, a broken collarbone, and banged up knee, hand that's just kind of gnarly. It's been a rough go. I feel bad for my students because I missed about 3 weeks there in the fourth quarter, and even when I showed up, I was pretty much worthless. No energy, can't think, moody, it's just bad. Anyway, school year's over. Kind of left a bad taste in my mouth just from how I did. And, man, this part's always rough. There's a lot of change at my school coming for next year. My assistant principal that I work under, who I really like, she really helps me as a teacher be better. And I find her very entertaining. And I really like her on a personal level. She's leaving. Also, some friends that I've been teaching with for the past 5 or 6 years that I eat lunch with every single day are leaving. Makes me sad. I mean, really, it does. Those people are a big part of my daily life. And so the adjustment will be tough, but happens all the time. Anyway, next year, I really want to do a better job than I did this year. The other thing I didn't tell you about is while I got injured at the end, at the beginning of the year, I was recovering from a pretty serious back surgery. Got a spinal fusion from S1 all the way through L4, and first half of the year, I was really focusing on getting healthy from that. So it's been a rough year. And I feel like I did not do a good service to all of my students. I'm concerned that some of them won't pass their Cambridge exams. And, I mean, while it's their responsibility to learn and I gave them access to everything, I wasn't on my A game with encouragement and guidance. So, man, bummer. But school year's over, and I'm kind of happy about that. Nice to have it over with. Now, I am teaching summer school, and taking a risk. Summer school's tough because it's filled with students that have failed math already. They have a bad history with math. Some of them are just plain behavior problems, but some are absolutely terrified of math. Almost every single student in summer school is going to believe that they can't do math. And if I ask any one of them, they're going to say, yep, I'm a bad math student, Mr. Brown. Truth of the matter is, probably just a bad student. It's probably not the subject. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to really try and teach those kids how to learn. And that's a tough adjustment. That's what I do with my honors classes over a course of 2 years, because I have those kids for 2 years. I'm going to try to do that in 10 days this summer. I'm going to try to take them from passive and fearful to, actively engaged, challenging students. I want them to be challenging what they're learning, and I want them to work on creating a body of knowledge that habit of creating a body of knowledge will transfer from my math class to all of their other classes and beyond. I mean, that's really the purpose of education, to change the way you think. And I'm going to try to give these kids a real education in 10 days. Could backfire, but I don't know. Anyway, I will be posting a regular video, hopefully daily, once summer school starts, which will be next Tuesday. Take it back, next Wednesday. And just a real quick summary of how the day went. And you can subscribe if you haven't already. Find out how that goes. Anyway, thanks for watching.